Hello my people. So today I want us to see how we can clean a messy data set using Power Query in Excel. So I've already opened my Excel. This is my Excel. This is the interface of the Excel. So we just go right away to this tab called data. We click on data, then we click on get data. Then I go from file, then Excel workbook. Then I'm going to pick the data, tuberculosis, then I'm going to import. After clicking import, I'll pick my data, that is table 2. Then I click transform. In case my data is clean, you just click load, then it will load. If it's not clean, you click on transform. Then it's going to open the Power Query editor. So this is now the Power Query editor containing 4 panes. We have this pen containing the name of the data, this pen, all the steps that will be transformed on the data, and then this is now the data. Queries is where, in case we have more than where the tables are displayed, then this is now the tools. This particular section is where we have all those functions for data transformation. So for example, we have this data, patient age, weight, height, gender, and so on. For example, in gender, we have the null values. We can decide to replace all those null values with something like other. So just right click on it, then you click replace values. After clicking on replace values, value to find will be null. Then we replace with other. Then you just click OK. Then you notice that now the column will be clean. Look at the region. Also region we can decide to replace the null with unknown. So value to find will be null, but we replace it with unknown. Unknown, like that. Then we click unknown. Then we click OK. Also smoker, we do the same. Replace values. Value to find is null. We replace with unknown. Then you click OK. You can notice that we have also NA. So replace values. Value to find is NA. Replace with unknown. Unknown. Then you click OK. Then we continue. You notice that we have null values on the date. So we ensure that we convert the date column to whole number first. After converting it to whole number, we go to transform under the statistics, so that we look at the median. So that where there is the median is 540, then we redo the step. Then we go back to the column, that was the date, diagnosis date, we click on it. Then you replace values. Value to find is null. We want to replace it with the median. Then you hit OK. After hitting OK, now we can convert it back to date. That is how we usually clean dates in Excel. Then as for full name that is clean, we go to location. We have location, that is, we have countries, then we have, let's say we have state, then we have country. We can decide to split it. So just right click, then split column by delimiter. And the delimiter will be the comma, then you just click OK. Then we can call this state. Then we can call this one, can rename it to country. That will be better, country. Then as for the hospital visit count, it's also containing some NA, so ensure that it is a whole number first. After it is a whole number, you notice that the error is, there is an error. So you can just right click, or apart from right clicking, you just go to this section of remove rows. Then remove rows, then there is a section called remove errors, and that error will be eliminated. We move on to test result. You notice it contains some null, so right click, then you go to replace values. Value to find is null. You replace it with unknown value. That will be clean. Income is already clean. Treatment also we do the same. Replace value. Value to find is null. We replace it with unknown. Then you click OK. Then also you have NA, right click, value to find is NA, replace with unknown, then you click OK. Then you continue. For number is not that required, so you can remove it. Then the follow-up contains null, so you right click, replace values, value to find is null, replace with the unknown. Then you hit OK. So you notice that you have already cleaned our data. We can just go to gender, you go to transform, then we can decide to format so that we capitalize each word. Yeah. Also, in case you want to remove blanks, you just go to home, remove rows. There is a section called remove duplicates, remove blank rows, and so on. Then another thing, in case you want to promote the first headers, this is the section. In case you want to ensure that patient age is since it's correct data type, that is the section. We have weight, we have height, we have that is height is decimal, weight is decimal. We look at this is text, this is date, and so on. Yeah, so that is we have already cleaned our data. You can just call it clean data. Come to here, then we write clean data. Clean data. After writing clean data, we close and load. Then it's going to load in Excel. Then you can perform your analysis on the data, on the clean data. So that's how you can use Power Query to clean the data. As you can see now, the data is clean. You can run your analysis. Yeah, keep locked as I'll show you how we can analyze using Excel. Thank you.